How did you get first interested in fishes or sharks and coelacanths, and how'd you get interested in it?
So I was really lucky as a kid. I grew up near Toledo, Ohio, which is about as far from the ocean as you can imagine. We have Lake Erie, and it's wonderful. But I was a freshwater fisherman all my childhood. That was a lot of fun. But my family took lots of vacations to Florida, and we would go to places like Sanibel before there was a bridge. And when they built the bridge, my dad said, "It's getting too civilized here. We better go somewhere else." So we used to go to the Keys a lot when I was in middle school, high school type times. And I was absolutely fascinated by marine invertebrates. I picked up shells all over the place. I learned to snorkel and explore things. I had a wonderful time as a kid. And I also kept lots of fish when I was growing up. I had many aquaria, and I was sort of, into cichlids after a fashion, but I looked at almost everything. I was interested in fish keeping. When I came to Cornell, I thought probably I would study marine invertebrates, but it turned out that the marine invertebrates course wasn't being taught the first semester I was here, back in 1972, 50 years ago this semester. And so some advisor or another said, "Well, why don't you go talk to Harvey Poe? He's teaching the vertebrates class. Maybe he'll let you in. It's normally not something they do, but maybe you can cajole him into taking you into the class." So I met Harvey. And that was a life-changing moment for me because I got into his class and I studied vertebrates with him. The first fish we dissected was, of course, a spiny dogfish. And I fell in love with the anatomy of spiny dogfish because we had basically, in those days, dissection labs were twice a week and you worked for weeks on a specimen. And so I got so fascinated by shark anatomy and biology based on this classroom experience 50 years ago to this time. It's just amazing to me that's already 50 years have gone by.